Hi, I'm Darren from the DPF Doctor. Just really short video, just with a bit of an update on the network. We like to do this from time to time, just to sort of see where we're at, let you all know what we're up to, etc. You know, so couple of years, just over 2 years into the DPF Doctor network, something I'm really proud of is we're now at 51 agents. And we've managed to maintain the real high quality of the network by attracting some real top guys, some really well-known technicians in the UK, some people that a lot of you heard of, you know. So we've maintained real high standards by vetting each garage that joins our network. We only take on what I would class as proper garages, you know, so established, fully qualified technicians. But things that are also important to us are customer service, forward-thinking technicians. Are they looking at where they're going to be in the future? People often talk about the demise of diesels. We're absolutely overrun with DPF problems, but we're also looking at the future. Petrol particle filters on the horizon, work going on in the background, make sure we're ready for them. So forward-thinking technicians are what we're looking for. Will they invest in the future of their garage, or they're going to be stuck in their ways with one diagnostics tool? They're the sort of things we look at. By doing things properly, not making the DPF Doctor available as a click-to-buy option, which it will never be. That would be the easy way to make money, but it wouldn't be the right way that I want to do things. Anyone that knows me, they know I like a bit of fun, but when it comes to business, we like to do the job properly and thoroughly. So they're the kind of people that we look to bring on board. So because of that, we've seen some great new additions in the last few months to the DPF Doctor network. A lot of people know Sean Miller, a really well respected technician, now writing regular articles for automotive magazines. Came runner-up, a close runner-up in Top Technician 2017. We're really looking forward to seeing how Sean does this year. Only marginally beaten by one of other fairly recent additions to our network, Carl Weaver from Bull Lane Garage and Faversham was the winner of Top Tech 2017. Neil Curry, also a finalist in the top 5 of the Top Technician competition 2017. Massively hard contest to get into the finals, let alone win or become a runner-up. So Neil works up at Robertson Gemini, so all these guys are back in there this year, so let's it'll be interesting to see how we'll get on. You know, David Massey just scraped through the sort of process, you know, so we have good fun with Dave, but it's another great addition. The team at ADS they're known worldwide through Dave's father, Frank Massey, absolutely legendary in the, you know, diagnostics world, you know, so obviously who better to be taught by. And Dave, very well respected technician in his own right, great guy. So another huge addition to the network. Great to have people like Clive Athol on board. Clive Athol, also previous winner of Top Technician back in 2007. He came runner-up in 2011 and also won numerous Krypton technical competitions 3 years in a row. Also come runner-up in a Bosch World Cup competition, so no mean feat there. And also great to have people like that on board. You know, in the early days of the network, we had some really high-end technicians join the network. So these guys join our existing dealers. So just to mention a few, obviously myself, I class myself as a reasonably technical guy when it comes to DPFs. Not in the same league as some of these guys, but you know, fairly early on we were joined by Stephen Patterson. Doesn't need any introduction. If you're in the diagnostics world, Stephen Patterson from Krypton Garage, you know who he is. You know, he needs no introduction. Dave Hill from London Road Garage, really well respected, very experienced in the scoping world and stuff like that. Also Matt Williams, you know, a lot of people have been trained by Matt on Pico Scope, etc. And Darren Cotton at AVC down in Redhill as well. You see Darren starting to write a few articles and things like that. Stephen Patterson also writing some articles currently at the minute. So these are guys that you'll see their names popping up. So we're really proud that we've attracted these guys, because they would not join a network that was sales based or anyone can join. By networking with these guys, what we'll find is we have a lot of other really good forward-thinking technicians join the network, and you'll watch them develop by meeting these guys when we have our training days. We're networking with some guys, and it gives people something to aspire to, but they also help them bring on their, bring them on. We've noticed guys who were doing a bit of training and now doing a lot of training, booking themselves on various courses to try and be the very best at what they can be. So when they're surrounded with people like this, it helps bring people's game on. So that's what we're all about. The DPF Doctor, it's not just pump some chemicals in, clean the DPF. We really network with the guys, we help them out at hours, technical support never ends. But by surrounded by some of the top technicians in the UK, if not Europe, it brings your game on, and these guys will help you, they'll advise you. Where should you be investing in tooling? Where should you go for training? And we really see a difference in people's businesses transforming, not just on DPF repairs, but that general diagnostics game, So the fact that we can help with that and grow in the right manner is fantastic. It's something I'm really proud of. So, like I say, just an update to tell you sort of where we're at. We're always looking to speak to the right people, and we'll grow in the right manner. That'll continue through our development of the DPF Doctor. So thanks for watching, and we'll give you another update and report back in a few months. Thanks for now.